Quick mention, there are affiliate links in the description of this video, which I am compensated for, but there is no additional cost to you, and I appreciate your support. Now let's jump into the video. I want to walk you through the Bizee backend dashboard just to show you what's available to you if you're getting your LLC set up with Bizee. And if you've watched my other videos, you know that I love this service. They're transparent with their pricing, and they are also the most competitive on pricing, but I found their customer service to be great as well. But when you log in here, what you're going to see is your completed documents. So this is where you're going to see your filed articles, your statement of the organizer, anything that you have done in terms of documents with Bizee will show up here. But then they also help you with things like compliance. So this is really important. I've mentioned this in other videos. Bizee offers two different ways of doing compliance for your business. They are both $99 if you were to do your annual report, or you can do it as a subscription for $99, but you get all these other things added in. So what do those mean? Like, I want to explain these because as you own your LLC, things will pop up. Like, I've had to do an articles of amendment. And what that is if you have to change information on your LLC. The reason I had to do it is I ran it through my home address. I moved, and then I needed to change the address in the LLC. So that is the reason you may want to do that. But we're going to get into like virtual mailboxes and things like that if you don't want to use a home address if you are working out of your house. Certificate of good standing, document you can request from your state to show your company's good standing. This is used for financing partnership agreements, all right? So that's $99 for their filing. That's included if you're using Bizee subscription service. Change of registered agent if you were to change that. Dissolution if you were to dissolve your LLC. This is important because I think people get held up on the importance of this LLC, but it feels like such a big step. It's really not. Like, if you set up your LLC, you just dissolve it later on. You might be talking about $50, $100, $200, or whatever it is to dissolve it, and then it's gone, okay? Like, don't build it up into this big thing. Like, it's not a big thing. You get your LLC set up, and then you dissolve it if you don't need it anymore. Doing business as, registration of fictitious names. What that is you may have an LLC name that might be just like blah, blah, blah holdings or something like that. And you're like, that's not a name that I want to use as a brand name. Well, you can have a DBA, you've probably heard it called, or a registration of fictitious name, all included for $99 a year. Foreign qualifications, what that is really important. Right now, if you set up your business and you are in the state of Colorado, let's say, but then you open a physical location in, let's say, Arkansas, well, you're going to have a foreign LLC set up in Arkansas. So the foreign qualification, this is a required submission when opening a business in another state. And it can also impact you as well if you hire an employee in Arkansas. So if you have some way of doing business in Arkansas like that, you may need to set up a foreign qualification. You can see it's $199 per filing. So if you are a business where you think you're going to expand out from that, this $99 package works pretty well. Reinstatement, this is a required submission when you're reinstating your business for good standing with the state it was formed in. So maybe you didn't renew your LLC in the state of Colorado and you need to reinstate it. They will do all of this for you for $99 a year, which I think is a fantastic value. But again, make sure you check to see if your state requires annual compliance or not. If you haven't watched my other videos, it's super easy. Go to bizbuddy.com/LLC-cost. Simply select your state. If you select Alaska, you can see for state fees, it has a biannual fee down here, meaning it's every 2 years. So in those cases, you may want to go with their a la carte service because then you just have to use it every 2 years. But if you're in a state like Arkansas, that we mentioned earlier, and they have their annual fee is listed here, then that's where you'd want to go with Bizee in a subscription service. Now let's take a look at other things. Business contract templates. This is the one thing that I think that they're a little bit more expensive on. I believe it's $150 for all of these if you need these contract templates, but that is an option for you. Other LLC services I found to be a little bit cheaper there. But then your company info, your registered agent, the registered agent service renews at $119. It's free the first year. This is by far the cheapest option I have found from any online LLC service. You do need a registered agent on file. This is actually for a business that is no longer active for me. That is why you can see that it is expired. You can see your order history here, compliance, which we already got into, state and IRS filings. So these amendments, annual reports, all this, you can see it on the state level and you'll also see it on the federal level as well. So if you have filed for an EIN tax ID number, which is like a social security number for your business, and it's something you're going to need if you're going to, hire employees, or if you're talking to a bank, they may want to see what your EIN number for your business is. They can file that for you. Form 2553. This is needed in order to obtain S Corp tax classification status. All right, now I'm going to depart a little bit from doing this busy back-end tutorial to talk about this and why this is so important for you to understand today. Once your business starts doing around $50,000 of net income a year, you may want to have your LLC be elected to be taxed as an S corporation. The reason for that is you got to do a few things. You got to put yourself on payroll. You got to pay yourself a reasonable salary, but the distributions you pay yourself. So this isn't your salary. This is money the company makes and you pay like a distribution, like a dividend to yourself. Those are not subject to the 15.3% self-employment taxes that you are going to pay on everything else if you're just set up as a normal LLC. So just remember, when you get to around $50,000 in net income, and maybe you want to talk to a CPA at that point, but you can go on here and file Form 2553, and then the money beyond your payroll that you pay yourself in distributions is going to be taxed at 15% less than the money you're paid on payroll. So it gets a little complex, but that's kind of like business, right? Like it's good to know this stuff today and know that it's in your command center, your dashboard here with Bizee. And if you have the information today, I don't want you to miss out on that opportunity down the road. So let's look at a few other things. If you want to set up a domain and email, you can do that with Bizee. Also, they can help you with your website setup. Yeah, so if you do it yourself, it is through Wix that you can try for free and get set up. So they do partner with different services, which I like because some of the LLC services are like, oh, we have our own website builder. And I'm like, it's probably not going to be as good as a company like Wix that's been doing this for over a decade. So they let you be able to manage all that through your Bizee dashboard. Your logo, they help you with that. Color palettes, all of this stuff for marketing. Taxes, breaking down business taxes. So which solution is right for you? They have an expert-led tax and bookkeeping to personalize for your business. You can also do cloud-based access anywhere with zero. And I like the fact that they offer different things. If you want to use Bizee service, you can do that. If you want to use Zero, which is a very popular service that's highly recommended, you can use that too. All right, business insurance. They do this through CoverDash. They can offer you business insurance quotes. This is just worth mentioning because some people don't understand why you need business insurance. If I already have an LLC, I'm protected. Well, they're different things, right? The LLC divides your liabilities between your personal and business assets. But what happens if you are sued and the amount you're being sued for goes beyond what the business has in assets? The attorney suing you is still going to try to figure out a way to come after your personal assets. And when you have business insurance on top of the LLC, it's like a double shield around your personal assets because that business insurance is going to pay out instead of your personal home, car, bank accounts, all right? So getting a business insurance, and sometimes it's absolutely required because there's certain business models you have to have business insurance to be in business. Or if, let's say, you're renting a space, they're going to want to see what your business insurance is. If you're somebody who's doing service-based work, like you're a roofer, they want to see what your business insurance is. Somebody doesn't want you up on their roof knowing that you don't have insurance. Business formation kit. If you want, you can get like a official like unboxing business formation kit where you're like getting everything. It's up to you. Like I'm not into that, but they also offer freelance services here. They've partnered with Fiverr for this, so you can go directly through Fiverr or you can manage all this through your backend dashboard. I use Fiverr all the time. Actually, this LLC cost calculator that I've mentioned in a lot of my videos, I use somebody on Fiverr to help me develop this. So it's a really powerful tool. And what I found with freelancing, when you're hiring freelancers, it's just a little bit easier because you pay for what you need, as opposed to some people rush to like get employees. I think if you're just starting out, use freelancers as much as you need them, but then eventually you may want to start hiring employees when you're like, no, I need the consistency of somebody to fill these roles and services that you can see on the screen here. Last thing I want to talk about is accepting payments. So now they have Bizee payments. So if you're a service provider and you need payments, you can actually manage all of that through here. And the cool thing is that you can do it right through text. My suggestion is do not cheap out on payments. If you're like invoicing people and you're making them like put in their bank account details to do like a transfer versus like texting them and then getting the details back. I have one thing where I have a service that I use and they send me an invoice and I have to mail them a check. It's the only way that I can pay them. It's ridiculous. If they were using a service like this that texted me, I would pay them back right away. But it's just a pain in the butt for me, so I don't go through the effort to do it right away because they make it hard for me. Make it easy for people that you do business with to pay you. So you can see how many different services and things are available, but it's also cool because you can see all these completed documents and information on your business within your Bizee dashboard. And like I mentioned earlier, there is an affiliate link in the description below if you haven't gotten set up with an LLC with Bizee. I highly recommend them. I'm one of the few people online that do these reviews that have actually tested out all the services, and I recommend them based on using all these services to form an LLC, and it's going to be the most cost efficient for you to do it as well. If you are curious about the different services, this video right here is going to walk you through the best LLC services. I highly recommend Bizee in it, but there are some other services out there that might make sense for you depending on what you're getting into. So I'll catch you in that next video.